What's up? We're here in Sofia, round 6 of the FIM SuperEnduro World Championship. First practice was alright. Track's very slippy, which is not that nice for me because I don't really want to dab on my left side, but made a couple of little tweakages to suspension. So yeah, only 2 practices today because the schedule's been a bit switched because some people's bikes didn't turn up. Timed qualifying coming up now.
Just got done with time practice. That went pretty good. He set the fastest time. Hopefully should be a good night and we can have a good result. This race has been pretty good. I haven't done no sprocket change yet. Done the sag a little bit. Ordered a few clicks on the suspension and he's pretty happy. So fingers crossed, as I say, his injury can hold up and we can get this weekend done and get to Newcastle next weekend.
Went well, really happy with that. Believe fastest time of the day, which doesn't happen too often. Good, track's fun, enjoying it. with tonight, really happy with the last race, to be honest. Track started to get a bit more beat up, a bit rough, and I had to pick some new lines, and I think I chose well when you had to pick new lines. So riding good, feeling good. Good night, really. Can't complain. I've just kind of managed to gap all 3 races. Good starts in the first and the last one. Took my time, was pretty patient. It was a really good track actually, like a lot of space. Something you could move around and you could kind of be patient and actually set proper overtakes up on people rather than kind of just forcing them out of the way. So took my time in the second one, got to the front, and then actually felt the best I'd felt all day in the last one. I pushed quite hard and kept my intensity going a little bit longer in the last one just to blow some cobwebs off and sweat this flu out a bit, but no, still alive, still in one piece. See you next week.